Hey everybody, this is Doug with Artfully Rogue, and in this video we're going to create a fork. It's going to be a big fork. I mean, not this big, but even bigger, like a 7-foot tall fork. I have a client in Maine, and apparently she lives at the end of this long road. When she gives direction to people coming out to her house, she wants to be able to tell them, take a left at the fork in the road. So she's going to put a fork in the road. Let's get started. Well, there you go. A big 7-foot tall metal fork. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you liked what you saw, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so now. And I'd like to give a huge shout out to my top Patreon supporters, Barry and Marlene Rush, Judy Clothier, and Funkiss Artistic Creations. We're gonna go get this crated up, get it shipped out. I'll see you in the next video.